Give him his pup cup. He is going nuts.
What does your dog do when they want a pup cup? This one chooses to act adorable and pitiful.
Gaga, you can't come. Get out of the car.
Oh, I can't. I'm not. That's sorry, baby.
Okay, you can come.
I'm sorry, Luna, that Starbucks didn't have pup cups. Why are you so upset, Luna? Are you upset with Mom, Luna? I'm sorry, baby, they didn't have pup cups.
Happy Easter, Betty. Oh,
Hello, how are you? Hello, you sweet angel Faye. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my God. Okay, you go back and you enjoy that little pup cup.
Doggy was checking the order carefully. Ginger Cat knew his heart was on pup cup.
This guy's waiting for that pup cup.
You think you can buy my love just because you got me a pup cup? Let's review all the things you did to me today. First, you took me to the vet where I got a shot. And then, you talked to the vet about how I'm old. On top of it all, I proceeded to group text the whole family about my weight gain.
Is he in line? Shut the up.
See how she waits and doesn't get annoyed at the length of time? Very demure, very mindful, very cute.
Hey buddy, they were all out of pup cups. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, but it wasn't my fault. They ran out of whipped cream.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, you said a grande iced coffee, no classic. You want sugar-free vanilla instead?
Yes, please. And a splash of milk.
Just 2% milk is fine?
Yes, 2%'s good. And can I also have a pup cup, please?
What are they putting in these pup cups?
His eyes widened, trying to figure out why it tasted so good. Is your dog like this?
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. This is Amy. What can we get for you?
Can we get an iced vanilla latte?
Sure, grande iced vanilla latte.
And then...
Okay.
I was in the grocery store for like 2 minutes. I had to run in there, grab us something to eat, and I came right back out. I got ice cream. You want some ice cream when we get home? No? I was literally gone for 2 minutes, and you could see me the whole time.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my. I understand that you are a Starbucks dog and that this is not Starbucks, but it's the same thing. It's a pup cup, Arch. Quit being so... Are you serious? You are being so bougie right now.
Growling softly, but trying to look polite. The struggle for pup cup is real.
There you go, bud. Yep.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, we got it? Oh, yeah.
To us, a pup cup is just a pup cup. To this Chihuahua, it's the fire that warms his heart.
It's okay. Relax. Miss, is this your coffee? Here you go, miss.
Hi, may I get Chino? I'm a puppy.
A apple cider, a tall apple cider.
I like a Chino.
The caramel apple cider.
Give me the Chino.
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy.
Puppy is like a man who has spent 2 hours in the desert and finally found water.
Hello, 2624, do you stop?
Yes, please.
You see you're not getting anything.
Alright.
Lucy, you're not getting anything.
Sweetie, they're not open yet. It's only 6:54. They open at 7. Okay, we have to wait. What? You have to wait, sweetie. They're not open yet.
Sight.
Oh, say mama.
Okay.
Oh.
Here. There you go.
Give me one puppuccino and I'm wagging my tail. Give me 2 puppuccinos and I'm... Actually, I'm not sure what would happen after 2 puppuccinos. I'd probably have diarrhea because I have a very sensitive tummy.
What are you doing? Okay, 1 second. 1 second! 1 second! Lovely! Okay, you don't have to stand like that. Lovely. Look at you.
Happy birthday!
Don't laugh at him because we also ate ice cream like this when we were kids.
That's a sweet dog.
He's a good boy.
ของโปรดอีกอย่างหนึ่งที่บาชอบมากๆเลยก็คือวิปปิ้งครีมใส่คัพหรือว่าปั๊บคัพของ Starbucks ค่ะบาชอบแค่ไหนเนี่ยให้ภาพเล่าเรื่องเลยนะคะอันนี้แม่แก้ตัวแทนบาก่อนว่าบาไม่ได้กินโมมามนะคะแต่แม่ว่ามันอาจจะเป็นที่คัพมันเล็กเกินไปแน่ๆเลย
Hi, can I get a grande pumpkin cream cold brew and a pup cup? That's all.
Did you hear what this golden said? Hurry up! They'll run out of ice cream if you're slow.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Jealousy permeated every cell of this boy. He wished he could kick them away.
Ooh, pup cups. You want a pup cup?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup. Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Thanks so much for giving them pup cups.